Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got some unboxings for you. Now, as you can see, and some of you may know, that I went to Michael's. Now, I don't hardly ever go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I just don't. So imagine my shock when I walked into Michael's just out of the blue. We were in town, and I asked my husband, I'm like, hey, do you care if we just run into Michael's real quick? I just want to look around, because my husband hates going into any craft store with me, because I tend to look and look and look. And now I can go to Walmart and I'm in and out. I go straight to get my whatever I need and I'm out, because I hate Walmart. But when I go into Hobby Lobby or Michael's, I tend to wander and look around. So he hates going in with me. So he was like, okay, since we're here. So anyway, we went in, and the first thing, as soon as you opened the door or went in the door, they had a big clearance sign. Okay, so I had no idea. I had never seen these before, okay? And it seems like as soon as I got these home, I started seeing everybody else doing videos on these, and apparently it's a thing. So when I walked into Michael's and I seen that they had these diamond painting kits, they are regular $14.99, and they had them for 75, or was it 75% off? Yeah, I think it was 75% off. Anyway, these only cost me $3.75 a piece, okay? And I got one of every one that they had. So as you can see, I only have 4. So they had already sold quite a bit, and I do not think that they're going to have any more. So I'm not going to race out there to try to find them again, because like I said, I got one of what they had. The rack was almost empty. So this was probably the best that I'm going to do around here. Now, if I was in a bigger town, they probably have more than one Michael's. But in my town, all we have is one Michael's and one Hobby Lobby. We don't even have a Joann's. So, this is what I got. I got the Italy. I got the Japan. I got whatever this one is. I'm not even going to try. And I got the Barcelona. Okay? And I know that there are more out there, because I've seen other people's videos, and I'm like, I got some of those too, but I didn't see none of those. So I know that there's a lot more of these floating around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open these up. I don't want to make a big long video, so I'm probably not going to open up any drills, or I might one, just so that we can see what they look like. But I don't want to open them all up, because I'm going to assume that one kit's probably the same as all the other kits. The pictures are just going to be different. So, it does come in the plastic. Let's see. I'm already seeing that there are no DMCs on the schematic, unless there's another one. And these are poured glue. So I just dropped the toolkit. Alright. So I am going to roll this back, I think, maybe. This is like a very silky fill-in canvas. Very slick. I mean, you can hear it. Very slick canvas. And it is scalloped around the edges to keep it from fraying. But it's really not a bad canvas. Not bad filling canvas. Now, I have no idea how big this is, but it looks like a 40 by 50. And it does have 2 schematics. It has one on the top left, and it has one on the bottom right. There are no DMCs listed on the schematics, and this one has 23 colors, and there are symbols and letters is what I'm seeing. Okay, let me see what's with this. All right, we have just an instruction sheet that comes with it. So there's that. The toolkit is a clear pen with a single placer. It has a squishy. It has a caddy that looks like it has 2 things of wax in it. It's got some baggies and a white, this is just a regular white boat with a spout. Alright, it is a round diamond painting and no DMCs. It does have the canvas number. See? It does have the canvas number on the drills, and it is in this strip. And the reason they put those holes in there is so that the air can escape, so that it cuts down on the static. But these are nice looking drills. But you can see the pinks and the beige, the blues, greens. Look at that green. That is really pretty. Yellow, some purples. So, let's see. Very sticky. This canvas almost puts me in mind. You know, the feel of it almost puts me in mind of some of the diamond dots. But let me look. Where is my measuring thing? Let's look and see how big this is. Alright, we're going to say, alright, this is like a 40 by 50. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought it was a 40 by 50 when I seen it. But it's very pretty, very clear. Very clear. I like it. I mean, I wish it had the DMCs with it, but you know what? For $3.75, I'm not going to complain. Like I said, it's a very, very nice feeling canvas. It really is. Alright, I'm going to pause and put this up, and we're going to open the next one. Okay, so this one is the Barcelona. And like I said, I'm going to assume they're all going to be 30 by 40s, or not 30 by 40s, my bad, 40 by 50s. And again, it's poured glue. Whoop. And it's the same toolkit. It's just the white boat, the caddy of wax, the squishy, some baggies, and a pen. There's not even a multiplacer in there, so. And then you get your instructions. And then it's the same kind of drills. There's no DMC on the drills. But the drills look really good. And it's a round. But here's the color palette. All the greens, oranges, browns, beige, blues, the taupe, the different color of greens, white, blues, Very pretty. And this one has got 18 colors. And again, it has the schematic on the top left and on the bottom right. And that's all the info. I mean, other than the name of the canvas and the canvas number, that's it. That is all that is on the canvas. And again, it has the scalloped edges. Very sticky, and it's got a very thick plastic covering on it. And let's see. These are Diamond Art Kit, Barcelona, Make Market Summer. Barcelona. I was just looking on here. Just look, right here it tells you how big the canvas is. Duh, if I just pay attention to the box. It's a 40 by 50. But that's all that it says on here. That's all it tells you on here. So, this one looks very good. The canvas, the drill field, very nice. I love the sailboats. And then the birds. This is pretty nice. I really wish I had been able to get I really wish I had been able to get all of them. But like I said, when I walked in, this was the first thing I seen. And honestly, at first, I thought that it was, paint by numbers. Because they had those sitting there too. And actually, I got one just for grins and giggles. Because, you know, they were the same price. They were clearanced off for $3.75. So I thought, well, you know what? I'm just going to grab one of these too. Because I used to do paint by numbers, but it's been years. So I thought, well, you know, I'm going to try my hand. So, alright, so now we have the Japan. And these boxes are actually pretty sturdy too, y'all. Alright, same concept. This one has 25 colors. Same toolkit. Your instructions. Here's the drills on this one. The blues, the orange, yellows, greens, some dark browns, light browns, brown, some whites. So, yeah, these look really good. Really good. There's, I don't know if that's a balloon or if that's an actual, I don't know what that is. And it looks like they've got some animals of some sort over here. Looks like somebody might be standing in the doorway right there. Very sticky. And again, very clear. I'm just wondering if maybe the reason they had these on clearance is because they just, I don't know. Because, I mean, they're very nice. I mean, other than I wish the DMC numbers was on there, but, you know, that you don't always get the DMC numbers on a lot of canvases. So, but this one has 25 colors, and again, it's symbols and letters. But yeah, I don't know why they would have these on clearance like they did. Because they're nice looking. For the most part, I mean, they're really good looking canvases, I think. I mean, especially if you can't afford the big name brand, you know, if you're on a budget and you walk in and you see these for $3.75, shoot. I don't understand why these are on clearance, but hey, I'm not going to complain at all whatsoever because, like I said, these are pretty nice. Alright, so the last one I got is Italy. Alright. Same thing. There's same toolkit. Your instructions. And then your drills. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh, those are bright and pretty. All the greens, the red, orange, yellow, blues, the white. And those are probably 310s, but I don't know. But aren't these nice? So what do y'all think? Have y'all seen these at Michael's? Has anybody else gotten these? And if you did, which ones did you find? Because apparently they're like an Easter egg right now. Everybody's running to Michael's to find them. And like I said, I didn't know. I just happened to walk in there. And there they were. And then when I got home that night, I was scrolling through YouTube. And I seen 4 or 5 different people talking about them. So I was like, well. But yeah, I mean, they look really good. So what do y'all think? Alright, so I guess until my next video, y'all, I hope everybody has a great day. I hope if you have a Michael's around you and you go to look for these, I hope you can find at least one. So, alright, y'all, until my next video, I'll see everybody later. Bye, y'all.